In this episode, we are going to talk about Facebook campaign optimizations, which one they are and how you can use them. However, we're not going to go into too much detail. If you are interested in this, make sure to check out our Facebook ads course at neonacademy.io. There we go into this in detail and explain you how you can use them in practice. When you use Facebook, you basically leave behind a trail of breadcrumbs indicating how you use Facebook and what you do on the platform. So Facebook knows if you're a person that prefers to watch videos, for example, or if you engage a lot with content, or if you comment a lot. Like, they have a fairly good understanding of what your user behaviors of the platform are, which in return means they can predict how you are going to react to a certain content. If you have a look at Facebook campaign objectives, you will see that they are subdivided in three categories, namely awareness, consideration, and conversion. Awareness campaigns, as the name implied, are meant to create awareness for your brand or your product to people that have never heard about you. So they are mainly about reaching as many people as possible and get in front of them so that they recognize you, your brand, or your product whenever they hear of it. So this is basically the top of the funnel. So this means that those people are cold in the sense that they don't know who you are, they have never met you. We should try and start with something more achievable, like providing a free video that they can check and providing value before you even talk about any purchases. That's where we head over to the consideration campaigns. So once you have made this initial contact with people and they have seen your brand or your service one or more times, you can work on building a relationship, showing them your expertise, showing how your product or your brand can help them and in what ways you can help them. And the last step in this funnel is the conversion. So once the people know who you are, they know which value you can bring to the table and which results to expect. And this process can take a few weeks or a few months, depending on how expensive your product is or how much risk is involved and how much investment is involved to get your product. But once you are at the end of the funnel, it is all about making that purchase happen.